How's it going, everyone? I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you the easy steps on how to remove the instrument cluster from a 1979 to 1986 Fox Body Mustang. To get started, loosen and remove the 3 Phillips head screws that secure the instrument bezel to the dash pad. Tilt the bezel towards you and then remove it from the car. Loosen and remove the 4 Phillips head screws securing the instrument cluster to the dash. Place a soft microfiber towel over the steering column so you don't scratch it. Bring the cluster forward as much as you can. Remove the speedometer cable by pushing the cable towards the cluster and then depress the clip. Once the clip is released, you can remove the cable from the cluster and then remove the right-hand electrical connection. This is done by squeezing the 2 tabs together. On the left-hand side of the cluster, rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. Lastly, disconnect the second electrical connection. Because of its weird and awkward location, you may have to depress each tab one at a time, as well as use a plastic pry tool. You can now remove the instrument cluster from the car. Here is a little bit better view of the back of the cluster and the positioning of each component. To see more videos like this one, along with product reviews and installs, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Of course, like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release new content. For all things Fox Mustang, you know what to do by now. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.